took over an hour just to trek to this point, but it was well worth it. And those are the steps I had to walk up to get here. Spectacular views of this rock formation. About this palm tree, please.
This is a three-headed palm tree found by Kopi Yesu. About 132 years ago, he found this palm nut tree. And in the other days, they used to harvest this palm nut, but now they stop because they don't want the tree to die early.
Okay.
That's why they leave it, and the palm nut rots on the tree and give the tree strength. And this palm nut tree doesn't bear fruit at the same time. It only bears fruit in a year, only one head. So if the first one bear fruit in this year or next year before the middle one, and another year they're the last one. So in every year it rotates.
One of them bears, yeah.
And we have a fertility rock beside the palm nut tree. This fertility rock, normally people used to sit on it and they give twins, triplets, and then single. And some too, they need a knowledge. They used to put money on it and sit and pray. Yeah, anything you want, you will put money on it, then you pray in your mind. Whether you will touch it or you will sit on it.
Okay.
Both to
This one as well.
yeah, this one.
Approaching the falls now. Welcome to Boti Waterfalls. The left-hand side is the female and the right-hand side is the male waterfall. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please remember to hit that like button, share, comment, subscribe or follow. Thanks very much for watching.